In this video, we'll reveal the ultimate technique for crafting unique stories on a mysterious YouTube channel. Prepare to be amazed as I unveil the secrets of using ChatGPT and Fliki to produce countless bone-chilling horror story videos. Now let me take you back to the night when this idea was born. It was a moonlit evening with gusts of wind, and my mind teeming with wicked concepts. As I delved deep into the internet searching for something eerie and captivating, I stumbled upon a YouTube channel that beckoned me with its name, Mr. Nightmare. These spine-chilling tales claimed to be true and kept me wide awake throughout the night. This sparked a thought in my mind. What if I could harness the unholy powers of ChatGPT to create my own terrifying stories? And that, dear viewer, is why I embarked on this diabolical plan. First and foremost, our trusty companion in this eerie adventure will be none other than ChatGPT, the spectacular AI mastermind. Let's summon ChatGPT to conjure bone-chilling horror stories that will send shivers down your spine, just like those successful YouTube channels. Now, after a few not-so-scary attempts, it turns out ChatGPT's storytelling skills were as terrifying as a bunny in a tutu. But fear not, after numerous sleepless nights and countless experiments, I've cracked the code to generate the ultimate fright fest. You'll find my genius story prompts conveniently tucked away in the video description, ready to unleash nightmares upon the unsuspecting souls who dare to watch. Now let me break it down for you. Our goal is to make these stories so believable that they'll seem like genuine submissions from regular folks who survived unimaginable terrors. Forget about cliched ghosts and haunted houses. We want to embrace the unpredictable. We'll throw in random variables that'll make your head spin faster than a possessed merry-go-round. Picture this. A person innocently chatting with their friend or simply minding their own business when suddenly, bam, the unthinkable occurs and they find themselves face-to-face with pure horror. Now the key ingredients lie in the twisted ending and the diabolical plot. We need ChatGPT to conjure something truly shocking, something that will make your jaw drop faster than a guillotine. But we can't just ask for any shocking ending. We'll need to steer ChatGPT in the right direction. So let's channel our inner mad scientist of creativity and concoct an ending that involves a murder most foul, a helpless female victim meeting her untimely demise. And let's add a wicked twist. The culprit turns out to be her drug-addicted neighbor. Brace yourself for a roller coaster of terror as the police embark on a bone-chilling investigation, uncovering the dark secrets lurking in the shadows. Additionally, to keep ChatGPT on the right track, we need to provide it with a collection of negative prompts, like a graveyard of horror cliches we wish to avoid. No ghosts, no haunted stories, and definitely no zombies trying to find their lost half-eaten sandwiches. This nifty tool lets us steer the story in the right direction. If ChatGPT's imagination strays into cliched territory, we'll just slap it on the wrist and try again. Now let's talk about our storyteller. How about a male protagonist? Simple, straightforward, and not prone to screaming like a banshee in a thunderstorm. And as for the setting, let's embrace the chaos of randomness. Picture this, a creepy subway at night, a deserted island inhabited by disgruntled parrots, an old prison haunted by the ghosts of failed rap artists, an abandoned graveyard with ghouls holding open mic nights, or even Disneyland during a zombie apocalypse. The more unexpected, the better. Now let's not forget the word count, as it determines the length of our terrifying tale. And we must pay close attention to the writing style, making sure it feels like an everyday person's account and not a seasoned horror writer's masterpiece. First-person point of view works well, but hey, let's push the boundaries and explore the uncharted realms of fourth person. Now let's build a suspense, shall we? Slow and steady like a sloth riding a roller coaster. And finally, the moment of truth arrives. Time to hit that generate button and see what monstrous creation ChatGPT conjures up. Voila! Our horrifying story is complete. Granted, it's not flawless, and sometimes the first and last paragraphs end up being as useful as a werewolf's hairdryer. But fear not, by tweaking the values and playing with the knobs, we can generate a whole plethora of unique stories with unexpected twists and spine-chilling elements that'll make you question your life choices. Now let's dive into another marvelous tool, Fliki, the maestro of video editing platforms with a special talent for voiceovers. While we've explored similar tools like Pick3.ai in previous videos, Fliki takes the spotlight in the realm of mesmerizing voiceovers. Although a subscription is required, they do offer a free plan for you to test out its enchanting capabilities. Brace yourself as I unveil a truly extraordinary video feature exclusive to Fliki, one that'll leave you astounded. Once you've signed in, you'll be presented with 3 enticing options. While podcasts and audiobooks are tempting avenues to explore, today we shall embark on a thrilling video creation journey. Head over to the Files section, click on New Files, give it a name that sends shivers down your spine, and hit that tantalizing Create button. Now let's return to our beloved ChatGPT. Copy the spine-chilling story it conjured and paste it into Fliki. Watch as Fliki's AI works its magic by suggesting footage based on the story. But hold your breath, my dear viewers, because I'm about to reveal an even more spectacular method. To truly amplify the haunting atmosphere of the story, we need specific and impactful images that will grip the viewer's souls. Stock footage won't cut it. We need something extraordinary. Fear not, for Fliki possesses an exceptional AI text-to-image generator, akin to the mystical powers of DALL-E or Midjourney. With this incredible feature, you can provide a brief description and Fliki's AI will materialize an image that matches your words. We must craft concise descriptions for each paragraph, ones that don't rely solely on the story's context. This will ignite ChatGPT's imagination, resulting in hauntingly beautiful black and white images, just blurry enough to send shivers down your spine while leaving room for your own macabre fantasies to unfold. Once you've copied the carefully crafted descriptions, return to Fliki, click on the picture, and unveil the gateway to the AI art section. Paste the description and let the dark magic begin. With a click of the Enter key, the AI text-to-image generator will conjure an image that perfectly embodies your description. If you find yourself bewitched by the result, click on the captivating Use This Art button. If the image doesn't quite meet your spectral standards, fear not, my friends, for Fliki has one more trick up its sleeve. Simply hit Regenerate to summon another ghostly creation. Keep in mind, however, that generating these haunting images consumes credits, so try not to be too demanding with the spectral realm of Fliki. Repeat this process for each bone-chilling paragraph until your video is infused with an eerie atmosphere that will haunt the souls of those who dare to watch. Now let's venture into the realm of video settings, where we shall weave our magic. Prepare to witness a transformation as we turn the video size from a mundane square to a breathtaking landscape. And for those who prefer the zoom effect, go ahead and keep it. Let the horrors draw closer. As for the subtitles, let's set them to medium size, ensuring the full paragraph is displayed on screen like a ghastly proclamation. Center alignment works best, aligning the terror right at the core. Now let's select the voices, my fellow thrill seekers. Fliki boasts an extensive library of voices, each more bone-chilling than the last. Take a moment to preview these haunting voices, savoring their sinister tones before making your wicked selection. And once you've chosen the voice that sends shivers down your spine, apply it to all sections, unifying the eeriness throughout. But wait, we're not done yet. It's time to infuse our creation with a chilling soundtrack, courtesy of Fliki's background music feature. Brace yourselves as we embark on a quest to find the perfect music to amplify the terror. Let's search for horror music, the kind that will make your heart race and your skin crawl. Take a moment to listen to the tracks, embracing the spine-tingling melodies before making your final decision. And as you set the volume to a bone-chilling 20, hit that save button, sealing that pact between the visuals, voices, and music. And just like that, my friends, we're done. The stage is set, a dark curtain drawn. Boom! That's it for today's video, folks. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we enjoyed making it. If you want to stay on top of the latest and greatest in the world of technology, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. We drop 3 to 5 videos every week, so you'll always have fresh content to feed your tech addiction. And don't forget to leave us a comment with your thoughts and questions. We love hearing from you, and we're always eager to help out. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the flip side with more exciting tech content. Peace out.